make sure that the people are edified, that they're built up. He says, if somebody comes in, and if you were speaking in tongues in this group, and I've been into churches like this where everyone, they're blowing horns, they're all speaking in tongues. I walk in there, and I remember walking into Assembly of God Church when I was in the Marine Corps, and was invited in. I go in there, they're blowing the trumpets there, everyone's speaking in tongues, rolling the aisle, and I said, what kind of nut house is this? And then I find out that Paul says the same thing. Well, will some that comes in and not understand what's going on here, will they not think you're mad? I thought these people were bugs nuts, crazy, absolutely insane. So it took some learning to find out that, they were not doing everything decently and in order. They weren't, if there was a speaking in tongues, there would be interpretation. If there's prophecy, there'd be people that would judge this. Is this really a prophecy, or are they really blowing smoke up my skirt? Okay? Because there's a lot of smoke being blown. A lot of these prophecies, people line up and go see the prophet, and all they tell are soothing sayings about your future fortunes. That's a fortune teller and a soothsayer, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we see the sorcerers do in the Old Testament. Oh, we've got dog, and we have animal prophets on the internet now. People that communicate with your dead cat and dead dog, okay? And to bring comfort to you, they let you know that your doggy and your kitty and your hamster are in heaven right now, and your grandmother is taking care of them. I had to comment. I'm sorry, but I just had to comment. I said my Rottweiler, my dead Rottweiler, took a dump in the throne room, and one of the 24 elders stepped in it. Is my dog going to go directly to doggy hell? Or did Jesus, doggy Jesus, die for his sins? It's like, can I be more ridiculous? No, I can't.